Have you ever had one of those moments where life felt just right? You were fully present and filled with joy? That is what life is supposed to feel like. Today, we're going to find out how to get back to that feeling. Hello, and welcome back to the channel. If you're here for the first time, thank you so much for joining. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. The other day, I was sitting by the river, just admiring the peaceful scene, watching the geese and the kayakers gliding by, people walking, jogging, biking along the edge of the water. And in that moment, I thought, in life, you've got to follow your bliss. It feels so good when you're in that space. It's delicious, it's powerful, and it's precious. Too often, though, we get stuck focusing on everything that's not working. We complain, we stress, we overanalyze, and we forget all the good that's still there. We have to shift our focus. We must focus on gratitude. There are so many people in far more worse situations than we have experienced. And here we are stressing over things that really aren't that important. Be grateful for this life, for this moment, because you are the source of your joy. And that joy, you can tap into it at any time. So start today. Take time to reflect on the good. Think about what's going well for you. Spend a day or two just sitting with that energy. That's right. And watch what happens after that. Like Dr. Wayne Dyer, who I followed, what a great teacher he was. And he said, when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. So don't dwell on what's wrong. It's just a moment. We all have them, but moments pass. This too shall pass. Yes. Refocus your attention. Return to what brings you joy. Really return to that. Follow your bliss because you deserve it. We all do. I don't care who you are. I don't care what you've done in the past. That's not what matters. What matters is now, present moment, this moment, right now. So what brings you joy? Reading a good book? Laughing with someone you love? Planning your next trip? That's always exciting. Cooking your favorite meal? Yes. There's an expression that says, do more of what makes you happy. Whatever it is, do more of that. Follow your joy. Follow your bliss. That's when your life opens up. That's when things begin to shift. And the universe, it responds to that. That's right. Now, you can call it the universe, you can call it God, you can call it energy, you can even call it puppies, if that makes you feel good. It's all responding to your frequency. When you're in joy, Joy finds you. When you're in bliss, the world shifts around you. You become a magnet for the things that light you up. Yes, challenges will still come. But when you stay in harmony with your bliss, you move through those challenges with grace. Because that bliss, it keeps flowing and flowing and flowing. Yes, you'll start seeing things change. Opportunities will show up just at the right moment when you need them. Synchronicities will line up. You'll feel lighter. Why? Because you're radiating from the inside out. You know, it took me a long time to learn that, but I finally got it by listening to amazing spiritual teachers and by living through my own lessons. Because the truth is, life can be messy at times. It's often unpredictable. But if you're focusing on the right things, it can start to flow and be absolutely beautiful. So stay on that path, the path of joy, the path of love, the path of bliss. And the universe will have no choice but to bring you more of that. Focus on what lifts you up, what excites you, what fills your heart. Because the moment you do, the universe says, here's more. And I have more, and here's more. Yes. It always says yes. That's exactly how it works. So, follow your bliss. It's powerful. And it's your birthright. Thank you so much for watching. And may you have a blissful, beautiful, bountiful day. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And remember, tap that notifications bell so you'll be notified when I post new content.